Good afternoon. This is Pamela, your boom coach, coming to you today on January 11th, cooking my meal prep meal, the turkey with vegetables in it, red peppers, onions, a little bit of mushrooms, and then I put an egg in it, just like you would do a meatloaf, and salt, pepper. Also, make sure I have regular granulated onion powder that I use, and then black pepper, and then my legendary Baja Gold salt. Some of the best stuff in the world. If you ever need to be watchful of your sodium intake, you know that table salt ain't good for you to have. This particular salt has all essential nutrients in it, well, a good portion of them. So look it up. It's called Baja Gold. But at any rate, I am now prepping the meal, and it's in the pan and cooking as we speak. So give me a moment. We're going to walk over here and take a good look at my meal that I am preparing. It is on the stove in my black skillet pot, or skillet I should say. So I'm going to turn my camera around so you can see. All right, so that is the turkey. Basically, I am grinding it. I'm browning it now and stirring the vegetables in. Yeah. I got to talking and things got brown, a little bit brown than I wanted, but that's okay. We'll incorporate it into the meat. I also got my trusty chopper upper, and just incorporate all of that, the vegetables, and let the meat brown. It's on the medium high heat. And again, this will be enough. This is actually a pound of ground turkey, and this should last you for at least, really it could last you the entire week. It really could. So I'm just letting it cook down really good. Make sure that it is cooked all the way to the bone. I had already had the vegetables in there, so they've already cooked. A little pat of butter, and that is all that's needed. We're just going to wait for it to complete as we speak here. Give it a little bit more time as I chop up the turkey. Incorporate it really good, and that is basically your meal. Really, this is all you need. It has enough protein in it to help you with your protein intake, especially with us getting older. We do need more protein. And then I am going to turn my heat down a little bit just to keep on incorporating this, and I'm gonna wait for it to cook a little bit more. And then I've already sliced my cucumber, and I have my bowl ready to put the items in there on my bowls, and put the turkey in there, and there you have it. It's a really quick meal. I just wanted to come on and let you know that, prepping your meals in this day and this time, the economy is so tight. It makes sense. Before you know it, you will spend $10 to $15 in a day, and it doesn't make any sense to do that. We want to use godly wisdom in our day and time. During this day and time, seek out the Father, seek out Yah, and ask Him to help you to budget. Yeah, and everything you incorporate Him, and He will help you. He will help you. And again, this is my journey that I'm on now. I would pray that you had a chance to see how I cook it. I'm also put a photo on my site just as well. Well, actually, the YouTube channel that I have created, which is ALate-Bloomer or Bloom Coach Pamela. You can go right there, sign up if you would, subscribe, like, and share. I surely appreciate it. These are the beginnings. These are new beginnings for me. I am that late bloomer, but you have to put forth the effort to see results. So thank you for stopping by. My name is Pamela. Have a great day.